Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed about how to learn alphabets, correct or not? Capital letters, small letters, and I told you that there will be an interesting game tomorrow, and I'm going to take that game. Okay. Now, what you have to do in this game is I'm going to tell you some spellings. Okay. Now, at present I am in UKG class. Yours last year's class. Okay, I am today I am in which class? I am in your class of UKG. Now yes, there are so many charts in the class. Okay, from those charts I will take one word. What I will do, I will take one word, and then of that word will have one letter in the starting. What it will have? The first alphabet of the word. So game is there. I will just read question for you. Listen to the name of the letter and show its card. Listen to the name of letter. I will tell you any one letter. Now many charts are there. A to Z chart is there. A to Z is there. Our words are there. Correct or not? Marathi. This is there. Mulakshari is there. There are flowers. You know it very well in your classes. What was there? Charts were there. Now I will tell you one letter. Correct? And then you have to tell me which letter it is. And when you will tell me which letter it is, now you are there or what in front of me? No, you are not there in front of me. But now, instead of you, I will only tell that letter, and after that I will show you. Now your card is showed. I have not made cards. I have letters with me. I will show you some letters are there with me. There is a bunch of, correct? I have a bottle, and in that bottle what are there? Letters are there. Can you see? I have all types of letters. D is there, Y is there, C is there, A, correct? H is there. Now what I am going to do is, I will tell you one letter. Okay, I have this letter, so I am going to put it on one book. What I will do, I will put this all letters on a book. Now just see, all letters are on a book. Just a minute, I will show you. See, look, I have taken all letters on a book, and now these letters are in my hand. Now I will tell you letter. Okay. Now this was whose word? If I will say F. Okay. Then immediately I will show you F. Correct. If you will say me, or then if teacher was there, if you would be, तुम्ही जर माझ्या क्लासमध्ये असता तर मी तुम्हाला म्हटले असते, students, which is this letter? Then what to answer you will give me? Ma'am, it is C. It is correct? C. Correct. If I will say you, students, which is this letter? Then immediately what you will tell me? Ma'am, it is X. Ma'am, it is what? X letter. So here it shows that listen to the name of the letter and show its card. Now you have to tell me names of letters. For example, you will say, ma'am, Z. Now Z. Let me find out where is Z. Okay, yes, this is Z. Right? Now come on, tell me, you told me, ma'am, we want U letter. So come on, then I will find out U. Yes, I have got U. I have two U letters are there with me. Can you see here? There is another U letter with me. Is it clear? If you told me, ma'am, please can you tell us R letter? Then I will find out R letter in this letters. I have group of all letters. Okay, I have got R letter. R. Can you see? Is it R? Which R it is? It is capital R or small letter R? It is capital letter R. Then what is small letter R? If I will write down, if I will say this is capital letter R, students, it is what? It is a capital letter R. Then what will be small letter R? Small letter R will be in this way. Capital letter R is in this way. Correct? I don't have letters, small letters are not there, all capital letters are there. Come on now, you told me, ma'am, please find out that we want P letter. What do you say? Ma'am, we want P letter. Then immediately I am going to find out P. Okay, students, this is P. Is it P? Yes, it is P. If you will tell me, ma'am, we want to see Q letter, then immediately I will remove Q letter and then I will show you. Students, look here, it is Q, capital Q letter. It is Q or not? Yes or no? It should not be little, what we call, you will say, no ma'am, it is not Q, it is not looking like Q, but it is a Q letter, right? If you will say me, ma'am, we want to see E letter. E letter is there or what? E, just a minute, students, I will find out E. Yes, I have got E letter. Is it E letter? Yes, it is capital E. Come on now, ask me any other letter now. You are not there, class is not that interesting. Ma'am, M letter. So look, here it is M letter. Can you see M? M. Come on. S letter. See, look, it is a S letter. Can you see S? S for sun. You might have studied in UKG. It is D. Come on, see D. It is correct. D letter. Next one is T. Right? T letter. If you want to see I have I letter with me. Can you see I? Is it I? Yes. We can paste all these letters on the board. No, it is not possible to paste on the board. Okay, this is I letter. Is it correct? Yes. Now which letter is left more? A for apple. A for apple. Yes, it is A. Now inside, in between you will say there is no line in middle, but it is A. What it is? A. Come on now, let me find out some more new letters. R. Yes, it is R. R for rabbit. Come on. O. O for, you might have studied on the chart. O for what? O for orange. Correct. Come on now, some more letters. Okay, see, look. A letter is there. One more A letter is there. A letter. Come on, let me show you some more letters. Y letter is there. Yes, Y letter is there. Y. Correct. In this way, we have studied what? We have studied letters. How to learn letters. Correct. How we have studied how to let's learn alphabet. Now in alphabet, what is there? There are 26 letters in alphabet. Which are those letters? From A, you will start A, B, C, D. All letters are there. If you want to see all letters from A to Z, I can show you all 26 letters. Come on, let us start with, I will just put it down and I will write down. If you want to see A, there is A. Look, A. So A I will write here, okay? A. A letter. You want B. Next one is B. B. Where it has gone? Yes. Look, it is what? It is B letter. So I am writing a B. Next one is C. C here. C. It is what? C. Oh, it is like this. C. Correct? So C letter is there. After C is D. So letter D is over here. D. So I am writing here D. Okay? After D is E. Letter E. Can you see E? Yes. So E. I have written. After E is F. Let me show you F. F for what? F for, what is F for? F for fish. Correct? So F for fish. F. After F, what is there? G. Where is G? Let me find out G. 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 Look. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So I have got which letter? I have got G letter. Next one is H. Which is next letter? Next letter is H. So H. Okay, after H is what? G, H, I. After I is J. have I, and where is J? Here is J. So I letter and J letter. Correct? I will show you like this. I and J. After that is, after J what is there? K and L. Where is K? K for what? K for kite. K for king. K for more. K and L. K, L. After that J, K, L, M, N. M, N, O, P. M, N I will show you now. M. N. Look, here it is M. Here it is N. Can you see? Letter M and letter N. M, N. After that is O and P. Letter O and P. Correct? After O and P, what is there? P, Q, Q, R, S, T. Now Q, R, S, T. I will show you Q. After Q, I will show you R. Look, this is Q, this is R. Okay? Q, R. Then S and T. S for sun, T for top. Correct? S, T. Next one is U and V. U and V. Correct? U and V. After that is W and X. W and X. W and X. And last two letters are what? Y and Z. Where is Y letter? Y letter is there here. Look, here it is Y letter and here it is Z. Have you understood letters? How we have studied alphabet? From last 3 periods we are studying Let's Learn Alphabet. And in alphabet what we have learned? We have learned capital letters and we have learned small letters, we have learned capital letters, we have learned the height of all letters, correct? Small letters are of different height, capital letters are of same height. We have studied all capital letters. Today I have shown you all letters with the figure. If I would be or you would be in the school, जर तुम्ही शाळेत असते तर मी तुम्हाला हे लेटर्स दाखवले असते आणि क्लासमध्ये म्हटले असते, स्टुडंट्स व्हॉट इज दिस लेटर? इमिडिएटली तुम्ही मला काय दिलं असतं? आन्सर दिला असतं. मॅम इट इज झेड, मॅम इट इज पी, मॅम इट इज क्यू, मॅम इट इज ओ, right? Ma'am it is M, ma'am it is L. Correct or not? In this way we have studied 5th lesson. The name of our lesson was what? Let's Learn Alphabet. Have you understood lesson? I think you have understood lesson because step by step slowly I have taken your study, and this you have already studied in UKG class. Okay, thank you.